is yummy, but can you make a bowl of cereal by yourself? I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. After watching this video, you will be able to do 3 things. First, list the things you need for making cereal. 2. List the steps for making cereal. 3. Make a bowl of cereal by yourself. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! First, what do you need for making a bowl of cereal? Of course, first you need a bowl of cereal, then some soy milk or milk, then some raisins or other dry fruit that you like, and finally, of course, a bowl. After gathering these things, now you can begin to make the cereal. There are 3 steps to make cereal. Step 1, you will pour the cereal into a bowl. Step 2, you will put raisins on top of the cereal. Step 3, you will pour soy milk into the bowl. Now let's see how to do it in action. Step 1, pour the cereal into a bowl. Step 2, put raisins on top of cereal. Step 3, pour soy milk into the bowl. Now enjoy the cereal. Thank you for watching.